Hey guys, HackerSploit here, back again with another video, and I just wanted to make a quick update video informing you, the subscribers, about what's been going on and sort of what the future is in regards to making videos, because a lot of you have been sending me personal messages, asking me what's really going on, why the uploads have sort of slumped, and why I haven't been making any more videos, that sort of thing. I thought, why not make a video to address this? And as you know, this is pretty much one of the first videos I've made like this that sort of is a personal video where I explain a bit about myself rather than anything related to the channel, but I'll be covering that as well. So the first question is, of course, what happened? Why have your uploads, why have the number of uploads reduced? And my answer to that is because over the last few months, probably from June, May or June, around about that time, I had a ton of work and a few upcoming projects that I really needed to do, and I was strapped for time. And then nearing August to September, which is more closer to home now, I actually had a few personal issues and some sickness that I needed to get dealt with, and so that sort of hindered my my activity on the channel, and rightfully so. And that's another reason, as I'll explain shortly, as to why I'm making this video, is because of the importance of health and fitness and exercise and proper nutrition in regards to having a very well balanced life. And so just cutting a long story short, I had a few personal issues which I all dealt with now, and my health was deteriorating rapidly, and I'd lost a lot of energy, a lot of enthusiasm, one of which was caused by, in many people's opinion, burnout, right? So that was one of the things. And then further on, sort of just a general lack of care for my body, from a nutritional and fitness point of view. So as you'd expect, if one goes to, if one does that for a long period of time, that will generally lead to you getting sick more, you feeling less energetic, you feeling tired all the time, irritable, just a general lack of energy as a human being. So that's pretty much what happened, and I found myself extremely tired, overworking myself, and rightfully so. I did have work that I needed to complete, and so that's just hindered all of my work, and for the last 3 to 4 months. And of course, first thing I need to say to you guys is I really appreciate the support that you guys have shown on the channel, because it shows that you guys really do care, not about me personally, but about the future of the channel. We have grown incredibly over the last 1 or 2 years, and we really have a community of well-known individuals whom I'm sure you're aware of if you are on our Discord or on our forum. So it is a very well kept, tightly knit community. So I do appreciate that. I do appreciate all the support during this period of time when I wasn't uploading. And again, many of you will be wondering why exactly I'm talking about this in particular, and that's coming to the point I mentioned previously, which was the advice I wanted to give new students, essentially new individuals getting into the cybersecurity field or the technology field in general, and for anyone else who's experiencing this type of stuff. And of course, it's all to do with having a good nutrition. Secondly is exercising. That's very important. And of course, just generally looking after yourself and your body. Something that I've had to look myself in the mirror, and these are the decisions that I've had to make over the last 1 month. And that's why over the whole period, or the whole month of September, you didn't see me uploading any videos. primarily because I was getting all of this, you know, straight and really looking after myself for the first time probably in my life. I would say, you know, I just stopped having soft drinks and all of any other type of really really unhealthy foods and beverages, and I just, you know, started drinking tons of water, exercising, and, you know, having a fixed sleep schedule, which has, you know, been absolutely fantastic. It really has given me a lot of my energy back. Just, you know, sleeping at a fixed time and waking up at a fixed time, I find myself being able to do a lot more. And, you know, just giving yourself a very good routine, I think, is very, very important. So for any of you, you know, new into the cybersecurity field or the technology field in general, this is sort of a common issue or a common trend where, you know, because of the fact that we usually are sitting on our desks for most of the time or most of our working time, you really do tend to neglect your health. And this is not a generalization of everyone. I'm simply referring to the problems that you will find yourself dealing with, you know, on a regular basis, and how to deal with them. And of course, one of them is implementing a great nutrition plan, you know, very, very good strict exercise regimen, and of course having a fixed sleep schedule. I think those three things have really changed it up for me, and they were recommended to me, and I've been following them strictly, and it really is fantastic, and I've been able to get my energy back. I feel better now. I feel much better than I felt, you know, at the start of the year, which is absolutely incredible. You know, come to think of it, and, you know, it just makes you think like how long I could have gone like this, you know, not really looking after myself, and how much time I've actually wasted just feeling really, really badly when I could have taken my health seriously and felt a whole lot better for the earlier part of last year, you know, the whole of last year actually, and the earlier part of this year. So that's the advice I wanted to give you guys, and I just wanted to clear that up, sort of update you guys on my personal situation. And now let's talk about the future, which is really exciting now. I finally, you know, I really feel good about that, and, you know, the new videos and the series that I have upcoming, and, you know, the series that we have ongoing, the malware analysis bootcamp, which I have tons of videos I have to upload for that yet. So I do apologize for the delays in that, guys. Promise we'll be having much more frequent uploads, looking to have a video a day, so that'll really be fantastic. And the content will be really varied in terms of the variety. So I'm going to be focusing on cybersecurity, programming to an extent, talking about Python and C, and of course Linux to a certain extent, which I kind of enjoy. So I thought, why not reintroduce onto the channel, you know, taking a look at various distributions, you know, working with the kernel hacking, really interesting stuff that I personally also enjoy. And yeah, so a lot of exciting stuff to work on in the future. And as I said, I wanted to make this video, you know, just before October, so that we actually have a fresh start and we can move on from there. And yeah, so I've been planning for it over the last 2 days, ever since, you know, I've got back into my rhythm and I've got back into work. Just a lot of personal issues that I also had to take care of, which are now taken care of. And I really feel re-energized and revitalized, so really keen on working on that. So the other thing that I wanted to just sort of explain is the websites, which many of you have asked to clarify. So first of all, we have our blog, which is available which is on HackerSploit.com. Secondly, we have the forum, which is where you can post all your questions, or if you do want to share any particular posts, any particular, you know, exploits, all of that stuff, you can post this on our forum at HackerSploit.org. It's free to sign up, and you can do that immediately. We also have a Discord channel. We will have the link in the description, so you can join that as well if you are interested in Discord over the other platforms. And we are still working on our academy. We have a new feature that we were really interested in demonstrating, but it's still in the works, and that will involve the use of live labs that you guys can actually practice on, and they will come included with any of or all of the courses that you guys have actually purchased till now. As for the new courses that we're working on, we have quite a few on the way that will probably be releasing before the end of the year and going into next year. So a lot of exciting stuff in regards to the content for the channel. And yeah, I'm really excited to get started and to start over, you know, from now, having regular uploads, regular content, regular interactions with the community. So let me know if you like, you know, the Q&A type videos, or sort of like a live session, you know, if that helps us interact a whole lot better, where you guys can ask me questions, you can voice your opinions, stuff like that. So I just wanted to say thank you for all the support, and I wanted to clarify my position, my situation over the last few months, and where I've been mentally, physically, etc. Why the channel has sort of suffered in terms of uploads, but that's all dealt with, and as I said, really excited to get started. So let me know if you have any other questions or suggestions in regards to the content. I would love to hear from you guys in the comment section. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you've actually reached this point in the video, I really thank you for going through it. And yeah, I'm super excited to get started, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Peace, guys.